We are in Albay Province, Bicol Region, Philippines. Our disaster response team is supporting the families impacted by the thick ash flow from Mayon volcano.
We're deploying two different solutions here to address the critical need for safe drinking water. First is the Aquadoc water filtration system, which is a turnkey filtration plant that produces 700 liters per hour of safe drinking water.
The new AquaSafe water filter and hygiene station provides families with the capability to filter water wherever and whenever they need. We are distributing these to the affected households here. Thank you to all our donors who supported our urgent response amid the unrest of Mount Mayon.